ngiphinde ngibingelele futhi kubabukeli and then ngibonge futhi leli thuba eninginikezelwa na kwa Next Billionaire. From journey Lungile from cleaning ama properties and security ebengiyenza kuma buildings wako Hillbrow and Uvel and Berea in Joburg. So ngwenzile lo msebenzi loyo for the longest time, I think for 3 to 4 years siwenza, and ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngabo 1998 I had about 98 staff cleaning including security. So that was a lot of people to manage, but kimi iyona nto ke yayingijabulisa ngoba iphupho lami lokuthi ngiphume ngicreate imisebenzi lalifezekile ngaleyo ndlela lelo. So coming back to your question ukuthi ngibese ngishiya kanjani from that sengijumpa sengiya kuyi property business. So benginama supermarket as well at Joburg Park. Maybe before ngibuya ngizongena kule property, so we were running ama supermarket, ama fast food, and then unkosikazi ke yena kube uye ke orana elinye side, even ama bottle store. So thola ukuthi kuyavukwa ekseni i-chain uqala ngapha kuma fast food ngoba kufuneka kuprepare ukudla 5 o'clock ekseni, abantu kufuneka bathi befika bathola ukudla seku-ready. So ke sizoqala ngalo ndlela ke naye uzogijima abamba amanye ama business, especially wona lawa avuka kakhulu ekseni, and then mina ngapha ngibe ngiprepareisha okay, because before that ngike ngaba semsebenzini kakhulu kuyena owaranayo lama business ngingakashiyi ukushiya umsebenzi. So ngoba into ebezivumelene ngayo lokuthi ngizoshiya umsebenzi uma ngabe ama business asevuthiwe. So ke before that uye kumuntu oberana ke enza le running around. So ke kuthema sesekulungile ke ngakwazi ukuthi ngibuye ke ngimjoine ke. So kube sekufika isikhathi uyabona into mase sewuyenzile, especially retail, wabona ukuthi ngathi it gets too much, we need a new challenge. So ke sayishiya ke ngaleyo ndlela i-challenge ngithi ke manje kwaba sekuba ukuthi yini ke enye siyenzayo, because we were always looking for something new. You know, we were young and very creative, and then sinabantwana abancane, we didn't have ama expenses amaningi, but nje we just wanted into ezos-challenge. So and that is when we decided ukuthi no, asike siqale nge-property. Yes, isithombe esikhona engakupheyintela sona kule nto yokusebenzisana nonkosikazi oqeda kuyibuza. So thina sisebenzisana kakhulu, and njoba ngisho ngithi it makes it easier ngoba uyakholelwa kakhulu naye kimi kuma plans enginawo. So now it makes it ukuthi ukuthatha kwama decision kungabe into enzima kakhulu. So ke uma ngabe uyangilekelela kakhulu ezintweni eziningi nama decisions esengwathathile ngoba nayo le property kahle kahle kwaku i-idea yakhe aqhamuka nayo ukuthi no man kungaba njani sike siqale manje i-property business, because sinayo indlu esasiyithengile, and nakimi kwacaca ukuthi no man, and I've noticed ukuthi all the time uma ngabe sithenga indlu, because when we're buying our second property ebesifuna ukuyirentisa, I find out ukuthi the person who's actually selling, the agent who's selling the property, you end up coaching that person. Now when you are asking ama question uthola ukuthi okuningi akakwazi, and then now you end up now coaching that person ngomsebenzi wakhe. So ilapho ke sabona khona igap ngoba yonke lento siyenza sisonke ngaso sonke isikhathi, and that is when our journey ke started ku property.
Sanibonani, igama lami uhalaletsang Precious Hadebe. Ngisuka kuMthimkhulu Properties that is based eMargate, although sinamanye ama branches. Yebo kunjalo, ubaba esasebenzela ibank futhi aphinde abe umphathi wami kuwo lama business sisebenza ikakhulukazi kakhulu eJubek Park neHillbrow eNberia eNewville yilapho besinama business khona besivuka ekseni ama-business la besivusa ekseni ngalendlela ukuthi besingakwazi ngisho ukubona ingane zethu sihambe singababonanga sifike basalele besivuka ngabo 3 uthola ukuthi ngo5 we are already kulawo ma-business ngokuvula ngokupheka bengasewumedem bengipheka bengenza yonke into cleaner ngenzela ukuthi ithi mangivula umnyango sengena amakhasimende bese ngiready ngakho konke kwakunzinyana ngoba I was not that experienced ubaba uyena obengifundisa uba umthimkhulu ngikholwa kuyena kakhulu ukuthi angazi ngabe ngwrong uma ngaphendula kuwena ukuthi iqale ngasethandweni ngabona ukuthi into mangithembise yona uyayenza yilapho ngase ngiqala ukukholelwa kuyena ukuthi into mayishilo uyayifeza ene akakaze angiphoqa ngakho konke ngakho ke naku business bethi mayesho athi ngifisa ukuthi senze into enje into ayihambe ngale ndlela ngangikholwa kuyena ngakho konke ngize ngimtshela ukuthi nginawe baba angizokuphikisa kepha ngizolandela wena ngoba ngibone kaningi ukuthi akakaze wangiphoqa
asiye kulena sesivala ke ubaba uthe nawe we agent estate agent yes take us through that
I'm an estate agent ngaqala ngo2011 kahlehle before that's after iMthimkhulu Property say operate kodwa angiqalanga kwaMthimkhulu iMthimkhulu Property thema iqala ubaba wathi ngoba mina anginalwazi kangako angihambe ngiyojoina ama agency asenolwazi kakhulu lapho ngizofunda khona ukufika kwami kuleyo nkampani angifika ngahlala ngabachazela there and there ukuthi mina ngifuna la kwenziwa khona lama course ukuze ngigcine sengine iNQF4 ngoba uma uagent umele ukuthi upractice uze ogcina une NQF4 mawuthanda uqhubeka ube neNQF5 so mina yathi mangisebenza as an intern ngoba mawukakabe ne certificate nani awubizwa ukuthi uyi-agent nje sisebenzisa igama lithi intern ngiyi-intern nginjalo within 3 months mina ngaqala ke ngaregister necompany thizeni eGoli yokufundela ukuba yi-estate agent whereby ngagcina sengithole NQF4 ngaba a qualified estate agent.